Hello all traders. Today is Friday, 28th of March 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that I have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating between the previous day low and close during the Asian session. And after the inflation news release and testing the previous day low pre-market, the price started to go down. And if we look at the 10-minute structural chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go down slowly and then sharply, about 500 points on Nasdaq and 100 points on S&P 500. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price have a pullback in this downtrend wave, take a sell short position in a well-established downtrend. And that's what happened. And when I came back around 10 o'clock, the price was in this area going down sharply. So I identified area of pullbacks on the 1-minute trading chart and entered sell short position on Nasdaq. One position on Nasdaq, and at the same time one on Dow Jones, and another one on S&P 500 was taken. And these positions were closed in the lower area of the channel with profit. And if we look at the stats of these trades, we see that it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we reached 100% win rate from the 3 sell short positions taken, with the average winning trades of 441 and the largest winning trade of $760. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, these are the list of trades that I have taken from the beginning of the week, and they were taken on DAX, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones CFDs. And as a result of all these trades, we reached a total profit of $50.46 with the profit factor of 1.05. And if we look at the equity curve of the account, we had a positive week started in the first 3 days. Our equity grew to 162, and we were only $38 away to pass the challenge and get funded. But as the trade war escalated and the volatility increased and market became very choppy, we had several losing days. But the drawdown is acceptable, and we didn't reach the daily drawdown of $250, which is 5%. And the main challenge, as I mentioned before, is unexpected tweets and news that is released constantly during the New York market session related to the trade war. So at the beginning of the week, when the market was trendy and moving smoothly, as you see here, we were very positive. And then later, due to unexpected news and trade war and geopolitical tensions, the volatility increased significantly. And that's a pattern that we are facing now in the second stage of the challenge, because before the trade war, the market was very smooth like the beginning of the week with low volatility and nice trend with expected pullback within the dominant range. But as you see here, the market is very choppy with lots of shadows and quick reversals. And because these are not scheduled economic release that we can predict and avoid trading, it can easily trap us during the trend with sudden reversal and high volatility. So since passing the challenge has no time limit on this account and the market volatility is very high now, I will take limited trades till I see that the volatility is again smooth and trendy, and then increase the position size and keep you updated on a weekly basis when we pass the challenge. So hope these trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and CFD prop firm accounts are useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.